We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Differential Calculus. The problem is based on the knowledge of the derivatives of functions of x. This question has appeared in the joint entrance exam main held on 27th June 2022 in the first shift. The given question is, if cos inverse of y by 2 is equal to log of x by 5 power of 5 to the base e, where mod y less than 2, then we are given four options. Option A, x square y double prime plus xy prime minus 25y is equal to 0. B, C, D are given in a similar fashion, with the changes in sign. Agreed. We are given cos inverse y by 2 is equal to log of x by 5 whole to the power of 5 to the base e when mod y less than 2. Then we have to differentiate twice and obtain a true relation from among the four options. That is the given question to us. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have cos inverse y by 2 is equal to log of x by 5 whole to the power of 5 to the base e when mod y less than 2. This log of x by 5 whole to the power of 5 to the base e can be written as 5 times log of x by 5 to the base e. So we have written that one. So the left hand side is as it is. Agreed. To differentiate this one, because we want first derivative and then second derivative, because the answer is in the second derivatives. So the student should know a rule called chain rule. What is chain rule? If y is equal to a function of u and u is a function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du, differentiate y with respect to u, multiplied by du by dx, that is differentiate u with respect to x. This is called the chain rule. And while differentiating, you need cos inverse. So d by dx of derivative of cos inverse x with respect to x is equal to minus 1 by under the square root of 1 minus x square, that you require here. And this is true when mod x less than 1. Agreed. And d by dx of ln x is minus 1 by x when x greater than 0. This you require here. Then, and these formulas are required, and using a chain rule you have to find the derivatives. So now differentiating with respect to x, so differentiate cos inverse with respect to y by 2 first, then it will be minus 1 by under the square root of 1 minus y by 2 whole square. Apply the chain rule. Y by 2 with respect to x is y prime by 2. So that is applying the chain rule up to this. This is equal to 5. 5 is already there. And log of the derivative of the log is 1 by x by 5. Now x by 5 with respect to x is 1 by 5. This 5 cancels, and you remain here 5 by x. And here we take the LCM. LCM means 1 minus y square by 4. Take the LCM under this square root. So it will be 4 minus y square by 2. That 2 and this 2 cancels, and you obtain minus y prime by under the square root of 4 minus y square, that is equal to 5 by x. Now cross multiply and simplify. You will get x y prime plus y times under the square root of 4 minus y square. Now again we differentiate with respect to x. Agreed? So to differentiate with respect to x, you need the derivative of this one. Again, you recall d by dx of root x. D by dx of root x is minus 1 by 2 root x when x greater than 0, and then apply the chain rule here. So this will be x y double prime first function into derivative second y double prime plus y prime into derivative of x is 1 plus 5 times under the square root of 4 minus y square is 1 by 2 under the square root of 4 minus y square, and 4 minus y square with respect to x is minus 2y prime. This is the result here. So 2 cancels and they adjust the terms, then you will get x y double prime plus y prime plus 5 times y, and this 2 cancels, minus y prime by under the square root of 4 minus y square. And you see this minus y prime by under the square root of 4 minus y square is here, and the value is 5 by x. So for this we substitute 5 by x. So x y double prime plus y prime plus 5y into 5 by x. Now take the LCM. So you will get x square y double prime plus xy prime plus 25 xy, 25y, not xy, 25y, yes, 25y, right, x if you take LCM, x square, xy prime, 25y, right, agreed. So you will get x square y double prime plus xy prime plus 25y is equal to 0. Let's look at our options. Our answer appears against option D. Therefore, the answer to this question is option D. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem, which is based on the knowledge of derivatives. The examiner is trying to understand how much of the rules of differentiation that the student knows. So it is a very simple, very simple and straightforward question, and I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.